So good morning, Muranga teachers. How are you? This is Suleiman Salim, and today I'm just asking for only 3 minutes of your time so that you can get to listen to what I have to say. For those who attended the BGA, that is the Branch General Assembly at Mumbi Girls, you heard what the Treasurer gave us the 2023-2024 financial reports. So he began by claiming that they received 7.6 million, and I'm saying he claimed because there is no evidence and there's nothing you can do about it, by the way. And he gave a breakdown on how this money was used. Now, I looked at whatever was presented, I listened, and two things caught my attention. Number one is the money they used to recruit and mobilize KUPPET members. So they claim they used 1.9 million, that is almost 2 million, to recruit KUPPET members. Walimu. I mean, hata kama ni wizi wa pesa. See, these people have now become ruthless. Let me ask you, colleague teachers, walimu wa Muranga, have you ever seen any KUPPET official come to your office to request you, to mobilize you, to join any KUPPET union? Joining of KUPPET union is automatic. Upon recruitment and confirmation, you automatically become a KUPPET member. And then these people come claiming that they used a whole 2 million to recruit KUPPET members. Alafu walimu jamani, tunyamaze tu namna hiyo. Hadi sasa tu tunyamaze tu. You know, this now because they read the report, wakapikia walimu mchele na nyama, so that is enough. Muranga teachers, we must rise up. Hii ni pesa yetu. This is our money. Our money cannot be misappropriated in this manner, and then you tell us to be silent. Now, wacha hata na hiyo. They gave the projections of receiving 17 million in the next financial year, that is 2025-2026. Now, come closer. Songa mwalimu. Watu ni wezi jamani. And they are claiming that they are going to use almost more than 500,000. Let me get the figures right here. Office furniture. Kununua office furniture, they are going to use 640,000. Kwani tuwaulize, mmekuwa mkikalia mawe wadau? Ama mmekuwa mkikaa kwa floor? How do you use 640,000 to buy furniture? Kwani for the last years mmekuwa mkikalia mawe? Listen to this. Office repair. Office repair. 695,000. That is almost 700,000 to repair the office. 700,000 ku repair hako karuma hako. 700,000. These people should come clear. Ni kama yonge, are they the landlords? Wao ndio landlords wa ku repair Ngeka house. So colleague teachers, much more has come out to light. And we have all the powers as KUPPET members to call them out. Colleague teachers, this is just the beginning. I want to wish you a blessed day, and I want to call upon all the teachers. Can we scrutinize this financial report? Because hii ni pesa yetu. I love you guys. Peace out.